Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to change Gmail password easily. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily change your Gmail account password without your previous password. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your App Store or your Play Store to update your Gmail application. So make sure your Gmail is updated to the latest version, and once you are done updating your Gmail, all you need to do is to just open your Gmail application over here and click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now once you click on that, you can see manage your Google account. Click on that and scroll to where you can see security. Now once you click on security, scroll to where you can see password. Now once you click on password, you can see it is asking for my current password before I can change my password. This is because I didn't enter my phone passcode. But if you are using other devices, for example if you're using Android, immediately you enter your fingerprint or your phone password, it will take you straight to this place for you to change your password. So let me enter my previous password. Then click on next. Now as you can see over here, it says change your password, and your password must include capital letters, small letters, and also some numbers over here. So you need to make sure you enter your number, new number, and also you confirm the number as well. And once you are done, just click on change password to update your new password. So with this you can easily change your password of your Google account or your Gmail account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.